Hey friends, this is Jake again and welcome to another one of my videos in how to make a friend. If you haven't checked out the playlist already labeled social relationships, I will put it up here and in the description down below. And with that, let's get started. And in today's tip, join a trivia team. This tip out of the tips I've listed so far is the most far-fetched out of all of them. Because there's not many people I know who tell me the very first thing they think about when developing friendships is, I'm gonna do it at a trivia team gaming league or something like that. So it makes a lot of sense to me when people find friends elsewhere. But really hear me out for a moment on this one. Many of us might know trivia from like Jeopardy, playing games with family, or other board games, or games I never even heard of. And this is all trivia. It's trying to understand how to get the answer based on facts. Now you never really know what's located near you, but I would take a quick look at Google and search up local trivia games or local trivia groups that gather up. A lot of trivia games are now even held in bars and in different restaurants on certain nights local near you. I think the best piece of advice I tell most people right now, seeing as there are a lot of places that are closed down because of COVID, are looking for online groups because there are hundreds of thousands of them. There are some of these trivia groups that you can do through Zoom. There's some that you can do through Microsoft. I've even seen it where people have YouTube Live where they answer live, or they do it through TikTok, or they do it through Snap, or they do it through some sort of social media platform. It's pretty well worth it because you're connecting with people and you might develop friendships along the way. And if your worry is, I'm not really sure what I'm good at, I'm not really sure what I can contribute to trivia, I don't really know if I know that many facts on this, that's completely fine. Even if I don't even raise my hand once or ding the bell, that's okay. I'm just getting to know people. And trust me when I say this, there are plenty of people who go to these trivia things, whether it's online or in person, and they already know I may not be able to be the best contribution to the team, but you might surprise yourself. Look online, look to see if there's any events near you to join a trivia team. It might be well worth it, and it may not even be your thing, and that's fine too. The point of these nights is to contribute just yourself, meeting a bunch of strangers. You might see people that you're familiar with, especially if you go to these events more often. There's gonna be more than just you who feel like they don't know what they're doing when it comes to these trivia nights. Sure, it's a competition, and sure, some of them are really serious, but chances are the first one you join will be something that everyone can go and be an amateur at. The point is just to have fun, eat food, and enjoy some laughs, and meet people, and maybe develop some friendships. Hope this video was helpful for you, and I really think it could be fun. I really think it could be enjoyable. And if where you're located, they don't have any of this in person, see what you can do to get online if that's possible for you. If it is, I really encourage you, go online, do a quick search, and see if there's any online tournaments or any online ones that are for free. I'm pretty certain there are some out there already. If this video didn't do it for you, that's fine. Go check out my playlist labeled Social Relationships. It's my friendship series. And remember, take care.